Hey everyone, if you're getting prepared for fall already, we want to make you aware of a new product that's available through Sloan Express. It's the left and right hand paddles along with the scrapers for your Powercast tailboards on your John Deere combines. And we've got a few of the samples out here just to show you what we've got, just to kind of show you the quality of the product that we're starting to stock. Both have the left hand and the right hand paddles. As you can see here on this new combine, the left and right hand panels are mounted on here, but this is going to be a direct replacement for that. Are made out of UHMW, so you will get your wearability and durability out of this product. A lot of people may not be aware, but up on top of these discs, there's a little scraper or a little deflector to help kind of keep that product from bunching up. We do supply that as well. So now, like I said, that'll be up here. You can replace that at any time or replace at the same time as you're doing the paddles. So if you have any questions on this product, you can check it out on sloanex.com or give us a call at 800-934-9777.